Have you ever wondered what would happen if your Venmo account fell into the wrong hands? Imagine a hacker draining your balance, sending money to strangers, or worse, using your account for illicit activities. It's a terrifying thought, right? In today's digital age, where financial transactions are increasingly online, the security of our payment apps is paramount. We use Venmo to split dinner bills, pay rent, send money to family, and practically manage a significant portion of our daily finances. It's incredibly convenient, but with that convenience comes a critical responsibility to protect our accounts from cyber threats. Think about it, your Venmo account is directly linked to your bank account or debit card. If someone gains unauthorized access, they're not just getting into an email account, they're potentially getting direct access to your hard-earned money. Phishing attempts, weak passwords, and compromised devices are all avenues that malicious actors exploit. You might think, I'm careful, it won't happen to me. But even the most diligent users can fall victim to sophisticated scams. That's where two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA, comes in. It's an extra layer of security, a digital bodyguard for your financial transactions, designed to thwart even the most determined cybercriminals. So, what exactly is two-factor authentication? At its core, it's a security process that requires two different forms of identification before granting access to an account. It's like needing two keys to open a strongbox instead of just one. Typically, these two factors fall into different categories: something you know, like your password, and something you have, like your phone, or something you are, like your fingerprint. Even if a hacker manages to steal your password, they still won't be able to get into your Venmo account without that second factor, which, in most cases, is a unique code sent to your registered phone. This makes it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account, even if they have one piece of your login puzzle. It's a fundamental shift from relying solely on a password, which can be vulnerable to brute force attacks or simply being guessed. Now, let's talk about why this is so crucial for Venmo specifically. Venmo's very design encourages quick, often impulsive transactions. You might be paying a friend while out and about, or quickly splitting a bill at a restaurant. This ease of use, while fantastic for convenience, can also be a vulnerability if not properly secured. Imagine your phone is lost or stolen. Without 2FA, someone who finds your phone and manages to guess your phone's passcode could potentially access your Venmo app if it's not locked down, and then initiate transactions. With 2FA enabled, even if they get past your phone's lock screen and somehow access the app, they would still need that second authentication code sent to your phone number, which they wouldn't have access to without further credentials. It's an effective barrier against opportunistic theft and more sophisticated attacks. Furthermore, the world of cybercrime is constantly evolving. What was considered secure 5 years ago might be easily compromised today. New phishing techniques emerge daily, social engineering attacks become more sophisticated, and data breaches at major companies can expose millions of user credentials. Relying on just a password in this environment is like leaving your front door unlocked in a bustling city. Two-factor authentication acts as a robust deadbolt, providing a much higher level of protection. It's not just about preventing someone from spending your money, it's also about protecting your personal financial data and preventing your account from being used for fraudulent activities that could implicate you. Beyond the immediate financial risk, there's also the peace of mind that comes with knowing your account is secure. You wouldn't leave your physical wallet unattended in a public place, and the same principle applies to your digital wallet. Enabling 2FA on Venmo is a proactive step that demonstrates a commitment to your own financial security. It's a simple, yet incredibly effective measure that empowers you to take control of your digital safety. It reduces the stress and anxiety associated with online transactions, allowing you to use Venmo with confidence, knowing that an extra layer of protection is always active. It's a small investment of time for a significant return in security. So, how do we actually enable this vital security feature in Venmo? It's surprisingly straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Venmo has made the process user-friendly and accessible for everyone. Before we dive into the steps, make sure you have your phone with you and that it's connected to the internet. Also, ensure your Venmo app is updated to the latest version. This will guarantee you have access to all the most recent security features and a smooth experience. Here's the first step. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. You'll typically find the Venmo icon on your home screen or within your app drawer. Once the app is open, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Next, you need to access the settings menu. In most versions of the Venmo app, you'll find a menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, located in the top left or top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to reveal the main menu. From the main menu, look for and select the settings option. It's usually towards the bottom of the list. Tapping on settings will take you to a new screen with various account management options. Within the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to the security section. This is where Venmo houses all the options related to protecting your account. You might see options like PIN and fingerprint, Face ID, or other security-related settings here. Tap on Security. Once you're in the security section, you should see an option for two-factor authentication or login security. It might be a toggle switch or a clickable link. Tap on this option to proceed. Now, Venmo will likely prompt you to verify your identity. This is a crucial security step to ensure that only you are enabling 2FA. They might ask for your password again, or send a verification code to your registered phone number or email address. Follow the prompts to successfully verify your identity. This is to prevent someone who might have temporary access to your phone from enabling 2FA to lock you out. Once your identity is verified, you'll be presented with the option to enable two-factor authentication. Venmo will typically explain what 2FA is and how it works. You'll likely see a toggle switch or a button that says Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Tap or slide this to turn it on. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.